Hey folks, this is Matt, your personal odor expert. I am over here in Pompano Beach. That's me right there, by the way. How you doing? This car smells like tobacco. These people actually rent this car out as like a Turo. So I'm gonna get in here and really kind of get into the nitty gritty. Unfortunately, it's got perforated seats, which and they're air conditioned. So you can imagine that the smell from the tobacco has now infiltrated the horsehair that's in that Porsche. And you know, these cars have a really nice inherent smell. We're gonna try to get that back to neutral again so that it smells like a Porsche with all that nice materials that they have in there, the leathers, the horsehairs and stuff like that. But basically that's what we're dealing with. My name is Matt, okay? I am your odor expert. I'm at 954-589-3083. I'm gonna treat every square inch of this car and then also follow it up with a electrochemical dry thermofogging. So give me a call. I can do your home, boat, plane, apartment, whatever you have, car. And hey, look, it's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice. And you take it easy. And if it's really easy, take it twice.